So finally got her back. She went off to DRW to get the port meth install and switchable mapping. Let's have a look. So firstly we got the two nozzles put into the charge cooler. And you can see that there. Then obviously we got the port on the manifold, looking all nice and neat. They gave the engine bay a little clean as well. It's looking nice. Obviously more power now. Look, my heat shielding is starting to colour up. Look like it's really producing some heat finally. Obviously we got a lot of wiring in that tucked under here, but let's show you some other bits. We also got J-pipe meth as well. You're not really gonna be able to see it, but it's there. So we got the methanol injection button to turn it off and on. My OCD, I'm gonna have to straighten it up. Their thought process was it's facing you when you're driving, but yeah, I will rotate that. We've got obviously the controller here as well. So here we got the tank. Let's see. Start button, I guess. Get the pump priming. Hold the BC button down. So it's flashing. Wait. And then map 1, map 2, there we go. And we lock it in. But yeah, we're not gonna drive it yet, so we'll put it back to map 1. So cruise control down, lock it in. Let's hear a start. But yeah, no, honestly, I'd like to give a big thanks out to the team at DRW. They went above and beyond. Car come back clean. And before you guys start crying, my car's not been detailed yet, so I don't mind them washing it. Even gave it a little hoover inside, just brushed it off. Cleaned the engine bay as well, like, looks good. Yeah. Had updates throughout as well. Let's see how fast this thing is now, innit?